Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video, yes, we are going to run Binbot Pro. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely for free. Just push the link you see up here right now. Or anytime in the video you find a circle and you can just push that and you get a menu and you can just push and you can register to start this robot. This robot is not something you download, it's on the cloud. So you can run it whenever you want. You don't need to have your computer on or nothing to run it. But make sure you use my promo code you find below the video. You get 200% on your first deposit. And if for some reason you have an account from before, make a new one. Yes, make a new one. Then you can use my promo code. You get 200%. But also make sure you see my another video below. My way of trading with Binbot Pro. My settings, my everything. So you also can start to make money. Sounds nice, right? So get started today. But first, let's see how we do today. just like that. $3,186 in matter of few minutes, 7 minutes to be exact. That's amazing. So if you want to run this robot, you can have it completely for free. Link below the video, and you can get started today. Minimum deposit is $250, but trust me, it's worth it. So with that, have a perfect day.